Hi, in this video I will tell you about AxcessD, software that protects you and your data on the internet. This is part 2 of a 3-part series where I explain how AxcessD protects your data. In part 1, I explained why you need AxcessD, and in part 3, I'll demonstrate AxcessD. AxcessD protects you and your data in 3 important ways: access control, privacy, and authentication. I'll now explain all 3. AxcessD enables you to decide exactly who can have access to your data on social media, email, and other web platforms. In the previous video, I described a number of instances where unwanted access to your data can result in potential harm to you. The obvious way to limit these harmful activities is to limit access to your data. So with AxcessD, you configure an access list, naming those people you will allow to have access to your data. No one else will be able to see your data. It really is that simple. Beyond determining exactly who can see your data, AxcessD keeps your data private. Your data is protected on your device before you send it into the web, and it is unprotected only when it arrives at the intended recipient. This is known as end-to-end data privacy. What this means to you is that if your data is intercepted or breached, either en route or while stored at a web service provider, then the people or cyber criminals behind the interception will not be able to learn anything from the data. It is effectively invisible. End-to-end privacy means that the employees of the web platform or third-party applications running on the web platform will not have access to your data either. Even AxcessD itself does not have access to your data. Your data is never sent to our servers since it is protected directly on your device. We also have no knowledge of where your data is. When you make a social media post, only you know where that post went. When you send email, only you know where you sent the email. Finally, know that AxcessD is supported only by user subscriptions. We do not generate revenue from advertisers, market research firms, universities, or other business entities that try to take advantage of your data. Our only objective is the security of your data. AxcessD protects you from various types of cyber attacks with the use of electronic signatures and authentication. When you send data using AxcessD, your data is signed with an electronic signature that identifies the data as being originated by you, the AxcessD account holder. When the data arrives at your intended recipient, the signature is authenticated so the recipient can be sure that the data was originated by you. Signing and authentication have the additional benefit of verifying that the data is exactly as you originated it and has not been altered or corrupted. A green check mark with the received data will indicate that it is authentic. This means that it will be hard for a cyber criminal or other bad actor to impersonate you, which can be used in phishing and other forms of cyber attack. AxcessD helps prevent you and your friends from becoming an attack victim. In summary, AxcessD keeps your data secure by providing access control, privacy, and authentication. Next, in part 3 of this video series, I will demonstrate AxcessD.